If you have an office or workspace that needs an uplift, but you're not quite ready for a full renovation, you're in the right place. This video shows 3 small changes you can make to make an impact on your space. Does your office need a pick-me-up? Maybe your walls or ceilings have not been touched since you moved in. Maybe your furniture is looking dated or in bad condition. Maybe your flooring is cracking or just not functioning for your type of business. The first impactful change you can make in your space is just by painting the walls. A little bit of color can draw your eye away from any other items in the space that you cannot replace right away. Some tips on how to maximize the effect of paint in the space are to paint your discolored ceilings to look brand new. Bring the ceiling paint down a few inches from the ceiling to help draw the focus down into the space rather than up at the ceiling. Add a bright or fun focus wall. And a key point to making a big change in the space is to paint for impact or attention. Do not paint just to match the old outdated flooring. The more wow you put on the walls, the less the focus is put on the old furniture or old floors. The second impactful change you can make in your space is to change the flooring, especially when coupled with a fresh coat of paint. These 2 changes have already significantly updated the feel of your office. A distinct pattern or color in the floor along with some bold walls can help mask the look of the old furniture. The last impactful change is your furniture and accessories. Without removing any walls or reconfiguring the entire office, and with little or no downtime, you are able to create an entirely new and unique feel to the space just by changing your furniture to something more stylish and functional to your specific needs. To recap, 3 ways to make a big impact in your office on a budget is through paint, flooring, and furniture. Any one or all of these changes will greatly change the feel of your office space. Thanks for watching, and if you need help with your office space, contact us today for a free consultation.